Ever tried to send Bitcoin on Cash App only to get blocked? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix this issue so you can get back to sending crypto fast. First things first, make sure it's not a simple issue. Open your Cash App and check that you have a strong, stable internet connection. Slow Wi-Fi or weak data can prevent transactions from going through. Next, double-check your Bitcoin balance. If you don't have enough BTC to cover the amount plus network fees, Cash App will stop the transfer automatically. If everything looks good, but you still can't send, here's the most effective fix. Contact Cash App support directly inside the app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll all the way down, and tap Support. From there, find and select Bitcoin. Scroll to the bottom and tap Contact Us, then choose Chat. Now clearly, describe your issue in the chat box. You can say something like, I am unable to send Bitcoin to others. I have tried all means and nothing works. Please fix this for me. The clearer your message, the faster support can review and unlock your ability to send. Remember, most Bitcoin sending issues come down to either connectivity, balance problems, or needing Cash App's manual review. So follow these steps, explain your situation clearly, and you should be good to go. If this video helped you fix your Bitcoin issue, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials that save you time and money. See you in the next video.